Hey guys, this is an Air D Down Productions. Welcome. This is a production on how to use Ventrilo. To download it, just go to www.ventrilo.com. Then just press download, as everyone knows how to do. Alright, so here we go. We're just gonna double click Ventrilo. By the way, this is on Vista, but it works the same for XP. Ventrilo, allow. Whoops. Okay. So we're just going to press this. Alright, so this comes up. The normal colors are usually like this. But I've customized mine. Alright, so we're going to start from the very beginning. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to press delete. Okay, so now we're just going to press new. Alright, so we're just going to do air diidon prod. Okay. Now, phonetic, this is very important. What you want to do is, for people that have phonetics, it's basically when you enter a room, it's going to say Erdidon Prod has joined the channel. That's if it's going my name. Now, sometimes if it can't understand your name right, it'll go like Erdidon Prod, something like that. So you want to make your phonetic so that it's understandable. So we're going to do air d I don prod. Now we're going to press play to see if it's right. There you go. Okay, so now we're just going to press okie dokie. And we're going to go to server, new. And you want to find a server. So, of course you want to find a server. First. So we're going to go down to Warforce Clan. So here is www.orforceclan.com-ventrilo.php. Okay, so this is my clan's Ventrilo list. Most of these you need a username and password to join, but here's our public Ventrilo. So we just either type that in, copy it, or whatever. tx1.event.com. Alright, so now we're going to go here, press this little arrow thingy-majiggy. This will pop up, press new. Alright, so enter whatever you want to enter. It doesn't matter, you can do whatever that spells. Okay, so I'm just going to do mine. WFC pub, I guess. Okay, so we're just going to enter what it says down there. So we're going to go tx1.leevent.com. Now, even though it might say you don't like capitals and stuff, you don't really need to enter the capitals. You can enter it any way you want. tx1.leevent.com. Alright, port number 3818. Most of them will need a password and stuff, but this one doesn't. It's a public Ventrilo, so just press OK. So it says server is available. If it doesn't say that, it means our internet connection is bad and it can't find it, or the server is no longer working. So press connect. Here's the message of the day for the guests. Okay, so here's my name, Erdidon Prod. So okay, so to switch channels, just simply hover over the channel and double click. Alright, so we're going to go to setup now. You don't have to do this stuff, but this is most of it's very important. So make sure all these are checked, otherwise you won't be able to talk. You can use a hotkey, whatever you want. I do left alt. I'm going to change my always make sure that is checked. Both of these boxes are checked. Then in your output device, find your speakers, whichever ones you want to use. Then your input device, whichever ones you want to use also. Make sure it's very specific. Alright, this you don't need that much, but you can if you want to. With your microphone and your speakers, you can change the volume and stuff. But that also works for right here also. So what you want to do is, for outbound, what it is if you're talking to someone, if you raise that up, it's going to be louder when you talk. If you go down, it's going to be quieter when you talk. And with inbound, if someone's trying to talk to you, if you go up, it's going to be louder when they talk. That way you don't have to make your volume louder. For Ventrilo, you can just have it like this, and down if it's lower. Okay, so you can test it right there and stuff. So, events, I usually do Alt TTS, text to speech. So if someone were to log onto the server, it would say AirDonProd has logged onto the server, whatever the name is, like Dragon has entered the server or whatever. And make sure that right here it is the same, or it is that, or well, not that exactly, but do not change that at all, or it will not work. Go to binds. You don't have to have that checked, but it's best if you do. Keep those two checked. Don't mess with those. Speech, keep that checked. You don't need to mess with anything here, but the text filter, these, as they say, if someone tries to type something in the chat or something, it'll block strong, like, bad words and stuff, depending what level you have it on. I just keep mine on normal. I always do phonetic. You can do a name, but as we talked about phonetics earlier, phonetic is the best. Make sure you have that checked. Network, I don't use these at all, but these are auto reconnects in case you get disconnected from the server and stuff because of your internet, stuff like that. Miscellaneous, you can change the colors, which I like to do. Keep that red. I could keep the background blue, I don't care. You can change the color however you want. These are all things you can log messages and timestamp through private chats. And you can do all these different things, whatever you want to. Overlay, you can do all these different things as whatever you want to. Again, global, same thing. I don't mess with those last two ones except for miscellaneous when I do whatever I want to do. So when you're done with that, you just press okie dokie. Okay? So here's this. So if you want to go talk to someone, I'll just show you. What's up again, guys? You guys there?
Yeah, hold up.
Alright, well, I'm still making a tutorial, so yeah. Anyway, gotta go. See ya, I'll be back in a bit. So yeah, that was easy. I just held down my left Alt key because that's how I programmed it to be in my setup. So, now we're just going to disconnect. So, it's over, and, well, this is WFC AirDon Productions. See ya. So just press disconnect to disconnect.